Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today, license the real timing Kung Fu class, the Kung Fu stuff. So follow me now. The first basics, your right hand hold your staff to measure the same long like your arm, and your left hand on the top. You rotate your both hand to go point right, point left to hit the floor. Just relax your wrist, use your shoulder, slightly move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you can add the speed. So let's do with me from slow speed to medium and to the high speed. Let's do 30 seconds with me. Let's go. Second basics, you go 1, 2, the same on your shoulder, and you go sweep on the floor. Let's do slow. 1, 2, sweep on your shoulder and twist to sweep on the floor to the target. Let's do 30 seconds with me. Let's go. Let's go the next one. Follow me now for these basics. Continue the first move. Right, left, sweep. Number 4, flat. Number 5, kick. Follow me again. 1, 2. Open straight, 2 to make a circle, and right hand over your head, and you go knee down and strike. Follow me again. Right side, left hand circle and strike, and boom. Great. Let's go. 30 seconds. Right hand, 45 up. Cross. Attack. Left hand behind. One more time. 2. Attack. Let's go. The next one. Left hand, hold your staff. Step and push. Feet together. One. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Kick. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Great work. Let's go to the next one. Left hand straight. Straight line, step left. Your right fist on the floor, left hand on top. Strike. Feet together. Go to the other side. Step left. Go down. Strike. Up. Step. Remember, your right hand must touch the ground first as a fist, and your left hand like a palm. The stuff. Let's go. Your stuff. Left hand open. Movement number 1. Feet together. Your left hand go 45 down. Cross your left hand. You step your right and go attack. Great work. After that, number 3. Hand to hold the bottom. Lift your right knee. Go step. Switch your left hand open straight. Okay, great work. So this basics we've been training before. So it's now we put together is your form. So let's talk about the intention with this form. The first move, you go cross and then go attack back, and your left hand hold it and push by this part, or you can over by this part. Let's go from the movement number 1 until number 3 and number 4. Got ready. Open. Feet together. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After this one, straight your stuff. Feet together. Your stuff go down behind your arm. You step left and kick it. And feet together. This basics we've been training before. So from the last move, right here, you stop to keep straight. Quick go down behind you and make that kick and go down. Need to repeat the training and stretching enough to get strong, fast kick. So now from movement number 1 until the strike, almost there. Follow me now. First move, go open, feet together. 1 and 2, attack. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that, your stuff go up. Your left hand touch the stuff. Your right hand slide all the way to the edge. Over your head. Stop your left the other side. Remember the strike. Right hand go down, left hand to strike. That is great work. Almost there. Couple movement we've been training before. Now we put them together. If you want to achieve with good technique, good power, with good intention, that need real timing training. You need to repeat with me and training at home with yourself. Now, let's start the movement number 1 until the last move. A little bit long version today. You can take the challenge. I always trust you. Let's do it. Right there. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and hop. Straight. Go down. Kick. Land back. Arm go up straight. Left hand hold. Slide. Over the head. Step your left. And strike. And both hands slide together. 1, 2. And sweep. And swing and kick. So that's all for today, but we cannot finish right now. We need training enough to get real good Kung Fu that need 1,000 time practice. Why not? So with me, training 1 minute, just from slow speed, medium, and fast speed to get good power and speed and technique. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Got that kick? Continue with me. 1, power. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We move back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're getting better now. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all for today. I have a great training. I have a lot of fun to teaching you. Also, I wish you have a good time for training. Remember that hard work beat the talent. Keep training hard. Never let your passion die. I see you in next video. Thank you and bye-bye.